Okay, boys and girls, so we've been talking about multiple meaning words. And so we have got our notebook activity. And we've got two types of multiple meaning words on our multiple meaning notebook activity. We've got homographs, and those are words that are spelled the same but have different meanings. We also have homophones. Those are words that sound the same but have different meanings. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to write one sentence using the word with the given definition. So now we have put we cut out and we put it on our piece of paper, well, we put it in our notebooks, and this is what it looks like, okay? So we're going to write under the flap using the definition. So let's work together to come up with some sentences that'll fit on the lines. So, we'll work together to do this, to come up with some sentences. So we have the word rock. Now rock is a multiple meaning word. It can mean several different meanings. And the only way we can know its meaning is how? How do we know the meaning of the word rock when we're listening to it, when we hear it in a sentence? What do we do? How do we figure it out? Beckett?
Context clues, maybe?
Yes, that's exactly how. Context clues. We listen to the words around it. So now let's look at the word rock. When we look at our left-handed, it says a stone. Could somebody give me a sentence with the word rock in it where it means a stone? Amelia.
I found a smooth stone.
Well, we need rock. I found a smooth rock on the ground. Let's add to it so it gives more of a context to it. Okay, so for rock, our sentence for the left-hand side is going to be I found, and I like how you use an adjective, a smooth rock on the ground. Okay. So you're going to write that underneath your flap. Did you write that underneath your flap already? Here. So start here. We're going to have to start right here. I found a smooth rock on the ground. Okay. Now we're going to need our second definition for rock, which means to move back and forth. I need a good sentence for that. Isabella.
I rocked the baby back and forth.
I rocked the baby. Let's not say back and forth because that's the meaning. What's another way to rock the baby to
Sleep.
sleep? I rocked the baby to sleep.
That's what Dad tried to do with Evan last night, but it only worked for about 2 minutes.
Rock the baby.
That's what my mom does when
No,
she tries to put a kid to sleep and it just cries. And then she just sleeps and
There. Okay, rock the baby to sleep. That's it. Sometimes we do like to use the definition, right? That's one of the ways that we look for context clues. But we won't use the context clue in it this time, okay? That was good. I like that, Shell. Very nice. Okay, let's look at our next multiple meaning word. It is the word park. And it's an area of land to rest and play. What's a good sentence with the word park? Nina.
my brother likes to play on the swings at the park.
Yes, my brother likes to play on the swings at the park. Is that? My brother
exactly
likes to play on the swings at the park. Good sentence. Now, our second definition is to leave in one place for a period of time. Sophie?
I parked the car on the side of the street.
I parked the car on the side of the street. Good.
You did?
I parked.
You don't drive.
I parked the car on the side of the street.
No, 16 or 17 is 17.
No, my man said you have to at least do that.
Okay, let's keep writing. Good job.
That's what the firemen did. They parked across they parked like right behind. They parked, so we standed on the driveway for a picture, and then the big fire truck was behind us.
Nice. Okay, good. I parked the car on the side of the, did you write that?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. Here is our next word. We have, our next set of words is, we have two words. So we have some homophones. We have 2 and 2. Our first one is TWO, and that's the number. I need a sentence that refers to the number. Izzy,
Number 2 is an even number.
let's not use the word number in it. Can you think of use the 2 when we're not discussing the number 2? Beckett.
On my math test, it showed 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 equals 2.
On my math test. Okay.
That's like a first grade math test.
My test.
Yeah. Maybe even kindergarten.
Preschool. No, preschool.
No.
Yeah, preschool.
Yeah, preschool. Yeah, my sister knows that.
It had 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then we have TOO, which means also. Okay, Leah. I know you had a sentence.
Your sentence.
That's not a sentence.
Period.
Do you like math too?
Do you like math too?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Kind of. Yes, kind of.
Yes, I do.
Do you like math too?
I put you. Don't you like my
Okay, let's write that.
My brother thinks 1 plus 1 equals 18. 18? He should use his fingers. He's like,
Okay, let's write that, boys and girls.
18. like skip all over the world. Nina, he counts up by 18. Yeah. He's like 1, 18, 100, 90.
Okay,
Sister can't
did everyone write that? Did everyone write that? So I can erase this and go to a clean page. Now we have there and there. The first there refers to a place. I need a sentence where there refers to a place. Ellie?
There used to be a store right there.
Okay, there used to be a store right there. Oh, we're using it twice. There.
That's cool.
Use.
You're welcome.
Be a store. Right there. need a their, meaning belonging to someone. Belonging to someone. Lauren?
It was their puppy.
It was their puppy.
I knew it was going to be about. I knew it was going to be something about puppies. I think you like your puppies too much. Yes, I do. But nobody likes my puppy. I know her too much.
Now, boys and girls. Now we have flower and flower. We're still talking about homophones. Those are words that sound the same but have different meanings and different spellings. The blossom of a plant, flower. Reese, can I please have a sentence with the word flower, meaning the blossom of a plant?
Some flowers are beautiful.
Some flowers are beautiful, thank you. Some flowers are beautiful. And then we need flour, F-L-O-U-R, which means grain used when baking or cooking. Lance?
I use flour
I use flour in what do you use flour in when you use it when you bake? In the cookies. I certainly use them in cookies. Okay. Very nice. So boys and girls, let's finish writing our sentences.